Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and today we're doing our project pan update for April. So I unfortunately missed last month, but that just means that we have a really big update this month. I have been honing in on my project pan. I have great updates and I'm very excited to share with you. I usually just go in the order that I do my makeup in terms of what's in front of me. So I'm gonna start with my Fourth Ray Matcha Face Milk. I did use this a little bit. I haven't been using it previously because it was summertime, but now we're in autumn. It doesn't take long for me to finish this, but I have another one that I've been more focused on. So I think this month I can definitely hone in on this because it's not a hard thing to finish. I just haven't been using it, but there is some progress there. And this is my By Terry Terribly Densilyss Prime. This is what I'm wearing today. This is what I wear most days. It is anti-wrinkle serum base for firming and smoothing, and I used this much. This is basically 2 months here. So 1 month and then 2 months. So I will definitely finish this. Actually, it's lower than that. Oopsie. You can kind of see it is technically lower than that. So I should definitely finish this in a month, by next month, which is very exciting, which will allow me to focus on this. I don't think I'll finish both by next month, but we can definitely try because I would love to get a few primers out of my collection. For foundation, last update I had almost finished this. I've officially finished this. I think I had only a few uses left, so I've actually finished this for a long time, but I wanted to show you that it's done. And because it was too dark, I was mixing it with the Ulta 3 Luminous filter. So I've continued to use this. Can I see that? I think I can see it sitting there. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I can see where it is for the first time ever. That's exciting. I'm pretty sure it's there because in the past I haven't been able to see it all. So that's exciting. So it looks like I'm about there. It does feel like I'm almost done, but I feel like it's a bit darker and then lighter. I think that's a marker. Anyway, this is too light for me, so I was mixing it with the darker one. And since then, I've been mixing it with this. I had previously decided to put this one in, and then I just decided I didn't love the combo. I preferred this combo. So I have a marking there, but I didn't really use it. So I'll put that back. And I've been using the Lasting Finish. I put it in my weekly roundup video, and I ended up loving the combo, so I just kept it in. So when I decided to bring it in, I marked it there, and I'm now down to here. So I've been using this quite regularly with this. It's on my face today. It's a really, really nice hydrating combo. So I think I'll just continue to do that because this is too dark, but my goal is to actually finish this. So I'll just keep using this with this. I don't know what I'll do after that, whether I'll just bring in a shade that suits me or I'll continue to try and finish this with a lighter foundation. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. My goal is just to finish this one and however far we get with this one. I finished my concealer. So last update, I didn't know where it was and I just guessed up here. Fact is, I was way lower than that. I was actually more like down here. So I just decided to keep going. And I finished it. There's like the tiniest scraping at the bottom that I can't get. But I finished, this is the OXX Concealer, and that's done. Oh, so that means I have to bring in another concealer. What am I going to bring in? I'll pick a concealer and we'll bring it in at the end. How about that? My setting spray is the Rimmel Lasting Finish. I love this. I use it daily. And I am up to here. I was guessing before, but the sun was shining perfectly today and I could see that it is actually there. So I should definitely finish this by next update. My powder is not my greatest success. I actually finished a powder from my project pan last year. I was so close to finishing it. I just kind of kept going unofficially and I finished it. It'll be in my empties in my weekly roundup. I shouldn't say it's more like a monthly roundup, but I finished that. So I was kind of focused on that. But I did use this a little bit, but not a lot. For the majority of the first bit of the year, I had heaps of product sitting in here and I was just focused on that. So I knew that under here, the actual markings wouldn't change that much. Well, I finished everything that was in there and now I'm starting to just take little bits out at a time so I can have more of an accurate measure for the months to come. My cream bronzer is from Rose Inc. I barely used it. I'm going to be honest, I don't think there's going to be a visual difference. I barely used it. I was going ham with my powder bronzer. which you'll see. This is the Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pink Pop. It's going a little patchy because it's getting a little dry, but I will admit I barely used it this month. So I don't know if it's just because what was sitting there was disgusting. I think I always close it, but there was some sitting there. I decided to use it and I regret that. So I don't think that was a user error. Anyway, I didn't use it that much. I was using my powder a bit more, which you'll see. RMS Beauty Luminizer Quad. Not a huge difference. I am wearing it today because it's a matte blush. But when I wear a shimmery brush, when I wear a shimmery blush, hard to say, I obviously don't use this, but this is what we're looking like. So my focus was to finish this one. I've just been kind of mixing them, which you can kind of see because it looks gross. I have two products I'm actually going to take out because I'm not reaching for them. It's the Laura Mercier Secrets Concealer, the under eye one. I mean, I'll use it when I want to use it, but it's just not something I use all the time. So I don't want to like update you because there's like no update. And same with this Melt Cosmetics Ultra Matte Gel Liner in Spliff. I just don't use it enough. I have a pencil brown liner that I pretty much use daily, and it's just a little bit more time consuming. So if I want to do like more of a bold wing, I'll go for that, but just for every day I use a pencil. For my eyes, I have the Victoria Beckham Lid Luster in Honey. I'm using it today, but I'll be honest, I barely use this too. I was going ham on my DIY palette. I'll show you the update. It's very good, but that just means other things were lacking. So I think I would like to focus on this. I really try and focus on this for the next month now that I'm not so heavy on the DIY palette. Lip liner, didn't use that much. I'm using it today, the RMS Beauty Go Nude Lip Pencil. I've been mixing it up with my lip pencils, so I just haven't really hyper focused on this. I barely use the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in Fab. I think it's going to be more, I'm going to start wearing it more in autumn. I use the RMS Beauty Lip Balm in Passion Lane a lot. Oh no. That's all that's left, by the way. I'm almost done. And that's what's on my lips with the lip liner today. It looks like I closed it and got stuck. But that's all that's left. That's it rolled up and fully rolled down. You can kind of see how much I've used. I mean, it's a small mini product anyway, but that's why I wanted to use it. It goes really nicely with the lip liner. Hopefully by next update that'll be done because I do wear it a lot. Okay, my DIY palette is very successful. I finished 2 products. Years in the making these are. My blush, the Chantecaille blush in Emotion, is done. I finished the eyeshadow, the Chantecaille eyeshadow. I think it was in Sesame. That I just finished today on my eyes with these 2. And then the Honey Lid Luster. And that is just, that's not actual blush. That's just like the base. I don't know what it is. But these 2 are done. So let's take those out. I don't have another eyeshadow to put in. So we're just going to focus on these. But I do have another blush to put in. So let's get that a-going. So I need to get a blush. And I need to get a concealer. I repressed the bronzer and highlighter, and I've been using that a lot. I actually blend the 2 when I do my bronzer, so it becomes more of a shimmery bronzer. So that's just a bit of grossness. So let's get that off there. But I'm almost done with that. It's really flat. I reckon this will be done by next update and we'll have a bronzer to bring in. Very exciting. This thing gets really disgusting, but you just got to kind of go with it. It's going to be disgusting. So now I'm going to be focusing on these. I've been using this one a lot, but these are my 2 main focus, 1, 2, 3, 4 basically. I dabble into others every so often, but I do have my favorites, especially for like work. And before I do my replacements, my last is my perfume. I finished my perfume. So that's where I was 2 months ago, and I finished it probably last week. This was the Asedos Blackcurrant Nectar. Very nice. And I'm going to replace it with the same because I found it really nice and easy to go through. And I have a few of these. This is the Asedos Aromatic Cherry, which smells like the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So I think for autumn, this will be a really nice fragrance to wear. So I'm going to add that in, and we have another empty. We've got a lot of empties. It feels good to be getting through some stuff. And honestly, I think I give credit to me not buying so much stuff that I'm just hyper focusing on what I have, which is That's the goal. All right, let me pick some things out. So concealer, I had one in a little bag that I have of things I want to pan. I'm going to see how this goes because I know it's really light, but I will give it a go. It's the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C3. It might be all right because I do know that it blends really well. And I've used this a lot, so I'm hoping it won't take me too long to finish. It's kind of hard to tell though. But I'm going to put that in and see how we go. I'm really excited to have a new product. And I do remember I put this in when I finished the blush to start using. So I don't know if I want to just have this or if I want to add something from my blush palette. Because I did get some good use out of it. So I might put that away. So what are we going to pick? These are my two Chantecaille. Do I just go easy and put that in, or do I go hyper pink? Or I feel like this one would be nice. It would take forever to finish though, but it is nice. I think I'll do it. I think this is from Sydney Grace in the Stiletto shade. It's got a bit of shimmer in it. It's very pretty. I'll see how I go. I don't commit to anything. I mean, that's not true. When I put something in, I'm like, you've got to finish it. Anyway, that's what that looks like. And then when I finish my bronzer, I can pick a bronzer because I've got 3 here. I'll probably pick some, oh no, anything would fit there really. I've got space for it now that I don't have an extra eyeshadow. Ooh, that is the update. What did I officially finish? 4 products. I finished a concealer, a perfume, an eyeshadow and a blush. 4 products in 2 months. These I've been trying to finish for years. So this is very exciting and very exciting. Actually, I did officially finish that too. So 5 products. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope to have even more empties next update. I'm working hard and I'm really enjoying using what I have and watching the things get properly loved and used. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.